Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Pages Bundle Review. Exclusive launch, a special greater entire Pages bundle at a massive discount. Our bundle is your quickest way to get access to everything that will enable your Pages platform to expand and upgrade to more than just a web design agency. You will be able to offer powerful lead management services to legal businesses who are in desperate need of leads and profit faster than you could with just only add the parts individually. We have created this product that create explosive growth for you today and give you a big load on the competition. Here everything you are getting. Pages commercial includes create pipe project, create complete website, integrated AI, 50,000 word, 10,000 monthly view, all templates unlocked, drag and drop editor, full access to all builder features, style features unlocked, table browsing builder, auto widgets for mobile and tablet, edit CSS and HTML, layer management, download into website as zip, high-speed hosting included, dozens of built-in fonts, commercial license included, training includes critical marketing feature, create entire marketing funnels, create landing page, custom countdown, email capture form, integrations, Google Maps, video, image, extra. We are going to double the number of projects you can create. Plus you can now create custom domain and lots more. You are gonna love the extra live feel every joy. Included. Upgrade 2 included. Upgrade 3 converted agency advance included. Upgrade 4 convert business included. Upgrade 5 10,000 lead credits in KB leads included. And of course we include all the upgrade bonus. Traffic generating resources bonus 2, client onboarding website questions bonus 3, login manager 4. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.